Hey guys, personal injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video the topic is, should I talk to a lawyer first, or is it okay to give the insurance company a recorded statement? So just the way I said that, you'll probably guess what the answer is, but this is critically important, mainly in car accident cases and fall down cases. Those are the two kinds of cases where insurance companies try to get to an injured person before they have a chance to talk to a lawyer, and honestly it can mean losing your case, right? So what is a recorded statement? A recorded statement is not every time you call the insurance company they have a recorded message saying this call may be recorded for quality purposes, quality or training purposes. That's not a recorded statement. That's just standard BS they put on the telephone lines now. A recorded statement is they have to specifically ask you, is it okay if we take a recorded statement? Okay, I'm going to turn the tape recorder on. All right, Mr. So-and-so or Mrs. So-and-so, is it okay if I'm recording our phone conversation? That's what a recorded statement is, and then they go on to ask you probably 10 or 15 or 20 minutes of questions, right? Or it could go longer than that. So I always recommend to people that you don't do it, and the reason why is that they tell you the reason they're doing it is just to get the basic information about what happened in the crash. But listen, I'm going to tell you something. They will use that recorded statement against you later on. And more often than not, it is a fishing expedition by the insurance company to try and get you to say something you don't mean. Or, you know, how many times, I see it all the time when I'm prepping clients for a deposition. You'll ask them, somebody who got hurt in an accident, they're focused on their injuries, they're worried about whether they can go to work, whether they're ever going to be physically back to where they were before. And, you know, you ask them a simple question, and a lot of times they'll say, oh, you know what, I don't remember, or I don't, maybe it was 3 o'clock, or something like that. They'll give an answer, or they'll say that they don't remember, but then when I prepare them for their deposition, after they think about it a little bit, then they give the right answer. They change their answer and they give the right answer. I see it happen every deposition I prepare somebody for, whether it's a major detail or a minor detail. Well, the problem is they're not going to give you that opportunity in a recorded statement. And now the insurance company has a recorded statement saying you don't remember what street you were on when the crash happened. You don't remember whether the color of the traffic light was red or green. You don't remember whether there were no cars ahead of you or 4 cars ahead of you. Things like that. These are just examples. Though not, you know, being on the record of saying you don't remember any of those things can really hurt your case in front of a judge and a jury, and they're going to review it and say, okay, this is a person who has a real bad memory problem, so we're not afraid to go to trial against them because they're not going to be able to get on the witness stand and testify, right? So that's, you know, you just don't ever want to give an insurance company a recorded statement without talking to a lawyer first. I'll sometimes present somebody for a recorded statement, and I prepare them with the same level of detail as I do a deposition. And, you know, you have to do it because insurance companies, they will tell you they're just trying to get the information to evaluate the claim. What they are suggesting to you is the only information is they want to know what street it happened on or what time of day. But the truth is they're evaluating you, your memory, and they are going to go over your story with a fine-tooth comb. And if they find anything to hang their hat on, they will deny the claim, okay? Anything they can use to dispute the claim, if they think there's wiggle room, remember their job is to save the insurance company money and not pay you. And that's what the recorded statement is all about, and that's why I tell people don't give one. So if you need a lawyer, or you have a case, or you have a concern, and you want a free consultation, please call me anytime, night or day. 312-500-4500. That's 312-500-4500. If you enjoy my videos or you're a current former client and you wouldn't mind giving me a 5-star review, I'll leave a link in the description where you can do that. I would truly appreciate it. It really, really helps me out. And I have tools on my website like the settlement case value calculator, where in about 12 seconds you can figure out a rough value of your case. No obligation, no lawyer to talk to. It's a free tool on my website. I'll leave a link in the description for that. So hope you're having a great day. If you need help, give me a holler. Otherwise, take care.